But real YouTubers solve problems for people. Ever wondered how YouTubers grow from nothing? Literally nothing? Your niche is the topic you won't quit when views are low.
Every viral video starts with a strong script. Hook, value, story, call to action.
Most people think YouTubers just press record and become rich.
Consistency beats talent every time.
Of course, your first videos will be bad. Upload anyway. Good news, you don't need a face to build trust. Today, I'll show you how anyone can become a YouTuber, step by step.
You probably have been hearing about Stickman characters, Stickman animation, and a lot more. So, I'm going to be showing you how to create Stickman characters the right way, just like Crico animation does. And not only that, I will show you the right website from creating the Stickman characters to bring them to life together with lip syncing with just a single tool. And you can also use Stickman to start a YouTube channel or TikTok. In fact, so many of these creators are using this sticky guide to skyrocket their channel and even ranking views on their niche. So if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm 10x and I make videos on how to 10x your AI skill to 1000x. And for the sake of this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and follow me on Telegram and Facebook for content like this. So first thing first is for us to generate the prompt using ChatGPT, but if you don't want to use ChatGPT, I prepare the custom prompt on my Telegram channel. You simply copy the prompt, paste it into Wix AI image generator. Within a few seconds, our Stickman character is ready. So you go over, copy the second prompt to image, paste it right here. You see the second Stickman characters appear the same level as the previous one. Then you go ahead, copy the third prompt, paste it into Wix AI and wait a few seconds again. Wow, this is looking so sticky, guys. Then you go over again, you keep doing it the exact same way and you will get the exact same Stickman result. Once you're done generating the Stickman characters, you simply click here to download each and every one of the images. So we are going into the next step where we're going to turn our images into complete stick figure animation by bringing them to life. Now on this interface, what you're going to do, you click on imagine. From here you upload the Stickman character and wait a few seconds. It will take you to the generating part. Then you quickly come back here, copy the video prompt and paste it here to generate lip syncing and motions. And boom, our sticky animation and the movement appears like a real stick figure. This AI video generator is good to go. So you go over again, animate every scene just like this, the exact same way, and you will get the exact same results. Once you're done animating the characters, it's time for us to bring them together as one clip using CapCut. So first thing, import the video, drag them into the timeline, then you quickly arrange them step by step. From here you can add captions to your video and select the text template of your choice, and then you add any translation of your choice. For me, I would like to play with the editing by adding adjustments and a custom text that come with the video 10x animation. Then you export the video and that's that. Wait, let me know in the comment section if this Stickman character is really helpful.
And don't forget to subscribe and like this video because the next video will 100x your AI skill in no time.
Boom.
Hey everyone, just a quick reminder to stay safe out there. Take care of yourselves and each other. See you next time.